right is of exception now. The acquisition of unsubscribed shares upon development on convenience of the underwriting agreement of any of the party person registered with the service security established under Security Exchange Board of India, other authorities established under the law by being enforced in India undertaken so far as the total share of the voting share held by acquired directly not entitled the acquired to hold more than 25% in total shares of voting share of the company of this being acquired. The acquired shares of stock book registered security um similar to established by way of law time being enforced outside India. And so total share of voting were held by the acquired directly and indirectly does not entitle the acquired to hold more than 25% of the total share of the voting rights of the company shall be acquired. The acquisition shares a mutual fund registered on the security exchange of India, secure similar authority established under any law time being outside India. Which offers total share voting rights of the acquired does not directly enter does not exceed acquire hold more than 10 percentage of shares and voting rights. The acquirer of the shares and voting rights of investment so far as the total shares of voting held by the acquired directly and indirectly does not entitle the acquired to hold more than 25% of shares and total shares of voting rights of the company as with the rights of the acquiring rights has been acquired, not leading to the acquired control of enterprises, the shares of voting rights has been acquired. Explanation to what the acquiring shares of the voting rights of enterprise shall be treated as a sole investment where the pursuant of the acquisition acquired does not gain a right to ability to have representation on the board of director any of the enterprise, either directly as director or as an observer. The pursuant of said acquisition, the acquired does not gain a right to ability to access commercial sensitive information of any enterprise acquired the group of entities and affiliation is not engaged in the activity related to production or similar identical substantial productions for the target the downstream the group entities and affairs. Any activities related to the production, supply, distribution, storage, sales, services, trades, productions, which is different stage of production and get to the downstream groups entities. So these activities related to production, supply, distribution, storage, sale, but the core group entities are will engaged in one of our set of activities and the acquisition considered solely for investment. The acquire does not result in acquire holding the 10% of the share. Acquire additional shares of voting right to employees acquire the group entities where the acquire group entities where the position hold shares and vote right. Does not hold more than 25% shares. So provided that the acquisition is not result to acquire a country control the so the acquisition acquire its could be it's a right people to go represent board of authorities. Central acquisition required the group of entities to not gain a right to ability to access commercially sensitive information of any of enterprises of the first time except your acquirer or group entities already have a right to ability to have a representation on the board of directors enterprises. In the case of activities of the acquire or the group of entities and the effective which exhibit horizontal or vertical or complete linkage of activities targeted on the downstream of group entities aviation, the incremental shareholder voting rights acquired by the single acquisition of series or small and the character acquisition does not exceed 5%. In such acquisition does not result in shareholder voting rights of acquired and the group entries increasing from 10% to 20% or more. Acquisition of additional shares of voting rights of enterprises by an acquirer or a group of entities. When the acquirers group entities prior to the acquisition hold more than 25% shares of voting rights of acquired does not have held more than 15% shares of voting. Such acquisition does not result in change in the control of enterprise. Acquisition shares of voting rights where the acquisition of a group entities prior to acquisition has more than 50% of shares of voting rights of enterprise when the shares of voting rights has been acquired, except in the case may be transaction result to the change in control of enterprises. Acquisition of assets enterprise ordinary course of business. Acquisition of assets ordinary shall be treated in the ordinary course of provided that its acquisition involves the acquisition of the stock entry, raw materials, stores, spares, receivables, other current assets do not constitute business. Acquisition asset doesn't directly relate to asset or relate to control of enterprises whose assets being acquired except when being represent substantial business operation. Location particular groups of activity which assets have been acquired irrespective of acquisition of shares pursuant to the bonus ratio in the stock. There is a consolidation of the face value of shares, a buyback of shares, subscription of rights, issue shares, not leading to change in control. An acquisition of an asset as one person of interest, another person of interest within the same group, except the case may be change in control of asset. In the merger amalgamation, which the same group provide transaction does not result in change. Acquisition of change in control, voting rights as the purchase provide the competition, commotion of India that accordance with section 51 of Act. Demerger of company issue shares and resulting company considering demerger either demerger company or shareholder demerger company permission of the shareholder demerger company so demerger except the discharge of the consideration for the options. For the purpose of this schedule, the acquisition of the group entities means the ultimate controlling person acquire any other form of association group. The entity is considered to be affiliated to the neither enterprise nor the enterprise has 10% of shareholder voting rights or right ability to have an representation on the board of directors of the enterprise, either as a director or observer, right to the ability to access commercially sensitive information of the enterprises.